episode of Tension Not series of Ameya production. Today, we all of us know that we are going to solve one paper or worksheet on heredity and evolution topic. But before we start that, as usual, we have to say one sweet small prayer.
इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना। इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना। हम चले नेक रास्ते पे, हमसे भूल कर भी कोई भूल होना। इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना। हम चले नेक रास्ते पे, हमसे भूल कर भी कोई भूल होना।
Students, now there are certain general instructions to be followed for any subject. Whenever you are going for exam, you have to go before time so that anxiety will not be there in your mind. Next, you have to carry at least 3 sets of writing material. 3 good pens, 3 good pencils, 1 or 2 rulers, and of course erasers or rubbers. Then when you step in the exam hall, if you require any help, you are not to talk with your fellow candidates, but you have to take help from your supervisor. If you even talk or even you do some gestures, then also it may be taken as a copy. So inside the exam hall, remember you have got only one savior, and that is your supervisor. Now next one. Please do not write your name, your address or any slogans like Jai Mata Di, Jai Shri Ram or any other slogan in your answer book. It may be taken as a malpractice for which you will be punished later. Now, usually answer books are given 10 to 15 minutes before the actual exam starts. So these 10 minutes you have to use for entering your exam seat number with the help of the supervisor and all. Plus, one thing you are going to do on your own, and that is drawing additional margin in the right side of your answer book. This margin has to be only of half centimeter or 1 centimeter's width. Why you have to draw this margin? You know, students, your papers will be bundled up and tied by a string, and that string cuts here, and hence this space you are not going to use for writing, because some important data may be lost when the answer book is torn. Now we come on the last one. Good presentation. neat handwriting, and good labeled figures. All of them are going to add up, and they surely do matter, though there are no separate marks for them. Now, after the general instructions, we come on the instructions for our first topic, and that is heredity and evolution. Now, paper 2 is composed of total 40 marks, out of which 5 marks are allotted to heredity and evolution. Now, if we study the paper pattern, then we find that in question 1, there are all 1 mark questions. In question 2, there are all 2 marks question. Question 3 will have all questions, each one with 3 marks. And question 4 will be having 5 marks question. Now, since 5 marks are allotted to heredity and evolution, the examiner can put the questions on this particular topic anywhere. He can ask a single question on heredity and evolution carrying 5 marks in question number 4. Or he may have combination of 3 and 2 marks questions for heredity and evolution. Or he may ask all 5 1 marks question in question 1. Up till now, that is up to March 2020 paper, we find that heredity and evolution questions have appeared in question number 1, question number 2 and question number 3, but never in question number 4. But that doesn't mean that it is not going to come. The examiner is free to ask questions on heredity and evolution in question number 4 of paper 2 of biology. Students, in your question paper, you will find that in question 1, there are all MCQs. Means you have to choose the correct option. Now, please take a note of one thing, that if for question 1.1, your choice is A, ABCD options are given and your choice is A, then your answer is going to be like this. Question 1, 1A. Don't write anything. You don't have to write what is given in front of A. You just have to write this much for getting 1 full mark. That is one thing that I wanted to rub in. Second thing, in question number 3, they have introduced a new practice. They are giving a full para, and that para, that means paragraph, is from outside, not from your textbook. So you have to go on reading that para. It is quite a big one, and in between there are the words which you have to introduce. The words are given here. Out of these words, you will be introducing them in the gaps. Now this question is a bit tricky. You know why? Because it consumes a lot of time while reading the entire paragraph. So first you have to read the paragraph, understand the meaning of that paragraph, and then you have to select words to be placed in the gaps which are given in the paragraph, and then write the whole paragraph. So other questions are comparatively straightforward, but this question consumes a lot of time. So I would advise you to handle this particular question of paragraph and fill in the missing gaps in the paragraph at the end of the paper. Students, it is our practice to have a musical break in the mid-session. Now, we have received all the instructions that were needed for our exam. Now we are going to have a musical break. But in that musical break, we are going to tell ourselves that hum honge kamayab. In the coming exam, we are going to get good marks. So here we go.
कामयाब हम होंगे कामयाब हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन हो मन में है विश्वास पूरा है विश्वास हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन होंगे कामयाब हम होंगे कामयाब हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन
Now, we have finished our exam. The exam was of 2 hours. Now, we are going to deal with our plan for the next episode. We always look forward. So, in the next episode, what are we going to do? We are going to take the second chapter and we are going to complete mitosis and meiosis. We will start with mitosis in the next episode, that is episode number 7. Till then, take care of yourself and your family. We love you.
चल के तुझे मैं लेके चलूं एक ऐसे गगन के तले जहां गम भी न हो आंसू भी न हो बस प्यार ही प्यार पले एक ऐसे गगन के तले